Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to make fake video call on WhatsApp. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Manicam and then click this one right here. And what you're going to do is to download this software. So click this download now and then you will see a notification above that it is now starting to download. So you have to wait for a couple of minutes and then install this to your laptop or desktop. Once done, click the folder. Run Manicam as administrator, click I accept, and then wait for it as it is processing. Once done, tap this finish, and then once it's okay and ready to use, it will just pop up on your screen. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like. This is Manicam. You can connect your Google account or you can also tap this continue as a guest here. Okay, so what you're going to do here on Manicam is that you will see different options, but you just have to click this plus icon below and then add the specific image or video from your computer. So this is what it looks like. Now open your WhatsApp, and then this time you have to look for the specific account user here and then call this user or your friend to make a prank call. Click OK. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Tap this three dots and then look for a Manicam. So you have to set your cam to a Manicam so that whatever the activity is in this Manicam right here, you will also see that on your WhatsApp. So when your friend answer your call, then obviously that friend will see what's on your screen. So for example, this one right here, I have added the video from my desktop and my friend will see this. And that's how easy it is to make a fake video call on WhatsApp. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.